Here's a dish that I make when I do not feel like cooking or I do not have the time to cook. This is century egg tofu. No stove, no heat, about 5 minutes to put together, and it looks like you put in a lot more effort than you actually did. Let me show you how this is done. Here is what you need for this dish. Soft tofu, century eggs, and no, these are not 100-year-old eggs. These are eggs that has been cured for several weeks or months. They are preserved in a mixture of clay, ash, sand, quicklime, and rice husk. To prepare them, you will need to remove the outer layer. We will also need some spring onions. To prepare, open the packet of soft tofu. Drain the liquid and place it on a plate. Cut the tofu up into smaller pieces. For the century egg, you can buy them with the outer preservation layer on the eggs itself or with the layer removed. I bought these century eggs with the outer layer already removed so that it makes it a lot easier and faster to prepare. Crack and remove the shells. Cut the century egg up into small pieces. When you cut into the century egg, sometimes the egg yolk is a little bit runny. If you don't like runny yolks, you can boil or steam the century eggs for about 10 minutes. This will firm up the egg yolks. When you have cut the century egg up into smaller pieces, put them on top of the tofu. Next, for the sauce. In a bowl, combine Chinese black vinegar, chili sauce, or chili crisp, or both. Soy sauce, sugar, oyster sauce, sesame oil. Stir all this together for a while till the sugar melts. To serve, pour the sauce over the tofu and century eggs. Sprinkle some spring onions and sesame seeds. And that's all it takes. No heat, no stress. A dish that looks like you tried really hard. For more quick and easy recipes, check out my other videos right here. And join me for the next delicious adventure. I'll see you in my next one.